strangely enough, I have no idea what this is. I know I want to do a video on it, but I thought it'd be, I thought I'd share my experiences once I open it with you. I have no idea. You know, you start ordering on Amazon, you don't have any idea what you purchased. So let's open this up, see what it is. Oh, this is the water detector. So I do have, let me show you the water detector I'm using now. This is what I was, one of the ones I was using. I have 1, 2, 3, about 4 different water detectors. I just do not want in any way, shape, or form water damage. And this is a one-time use. If you put it on, it's this gets touched with water and that's it. It starts to go off and it's only, and then you got to throw it away. And it'll only last a few years. I don't know how, there's something you pull on it or something you push or something, I forget what it is, to set it up. And I think there's a light there that goes off. And the alarm goes off and it tells you there's water, which you need to know as soon as possible. So, and I also have sensors that are remote, so I have apps that do that also, but I like different kinds of sensors instead of just depending on one sensor. So this is, I saw this on Amazon. I think it was the deal of the day, and I liked it because it's reusable sensor instead of one-time use. And I have no idea how to use it. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is, and it says water alarm. And that's all I'm looking. So I guess this is where you stick it to, and this you can put on the wall so that you can get the alarm. I don't know what this is. This looks like it's a double-sided tape. I put this at the end, the paperwork. This is the manual. I purchased 4 of them. You'll see this at the end so you can get more details. All right, so that's how you use the sensor. I guess that's a faceplate that goes on the floor, and you put this away from the floor so it doesn't get damaged if there is water. And it comes with its own 9-volt battery, which is great. So there's 3 of them. And I'm only gonna set one up. I'll set up the other ones later. So let me put these back. Each package sensor comes in its own packaging, and each one has its own battery, double-sided tape, so I guess I can hang this on the wall. And the sensor itself should, I think this goes like this. So a close-up look. I don't know how it senses. I guess I'll test it since it's reusable. Just hoping. And the cable, let's see how long the cable is. Uh, 3 feet 8 inches, 44 inches. Okay, it's even longer with the base, over 45 inches, 3 feet 9 inches. This is the close-up look. This should be the alarm. I don't know what those are. And what are these? I have no idea. Of course, I gotta open it. Oh, this is probably where the battery goes. Just realized. Let me get this open. So I'm gonna just take a tool, push this in, and you have to push this in to get it open. Okay, one's open. I can't get my finger to fit in there. And this is the inside. So those are just holes to mount. All right. I don't see any screws, so you're on your own for the screws. I don't see any. Yeah, I guess you just use your own screws, and so you can see the holes are there. Oh, take it back. There are the screws inside. I spoke too soon. So they'll stay in there. I'm not going to use them. And This is the close-up of the battery that it comes with. Okay, let's put it together. I'm going to take out the suction cup because I don't really need it. I don't even know how I'm going to, how that comes in. I can't take it out. I don't want to break it, so I'm just going to leave it there. Let's try it out. So this is the scenario. I'm going to put a double-sided tape here. Let me see. You know, I'm going to put Velcro. I'm not going to use the double-sided tape. I'll keep the double-sided tape to the side. Velcro so I can take it off and put it on as I wish. Let's test it out, see what it does. So I briefly looked through the instruction manual, and the way it works is that the water creates a current for the alarm to initiate. So sort of like if you connect two electrical lines together and twist them, it's sort of like that. The water's working that way. You'll see it at the end. I'll leave all the instruction manual at the end. I'll scan it and you can pause the video and read through it. And that's how it actually works. I don't want to submerge it. I want to see how much water it takes to actually sound off. So I'm taking a flat plate and I'm assuming it's got to get up to here. Let me just put the water in. That's great. So when you clean it up, it's reusable, and now you need water. That's great because a lot, like I said, my old one-time use. I'm curious. Let me see if this even works, and I have to end up throwing it away anyway, so I'm not going to use it anymore. It's never gone off. Oh wow, it turns into a spongy type of material. So like I said, it's a one-time use. Now I gotta shut it off. Okay, I did. So I guess the current is made right there. I wonder if it'll dry and I can reuse it again. I'm gonna try it, let it dry off. So it works. Small amount of water in a flat plate. And that gets rid of the sound. And that's loud. I don't know if the phone can, if you can hear how loud it is on the phone, but. That is loud. Okay. hope the video helps. Thank you. Bye.